In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the best thank you cards for your business using Canva. Whether you're sending a message of appreciation to loyal customers or expressing gratitude to partners, crafting a heartfelt thank you card can strengthen relations and leave a lasting impression. First, let's head over to Canva, an incredibly user-friendly platform that empowers everyone to become a designer, even without prior experience. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll want to use the search bar located at the top. Simply type "thank you card." This search will pull up a vast array of ready-to-use templates, specifically designed for thank you cards. These templates are crafted by professional designers, allowing you to find something that aligns perfectly with your brand's message and aesthetics. Now the fun part begins as you browse through the selection of templates. You'll see a myriad of options ranging from elegant and sophisticated designs to playful and colourful layouts. Take your time here. Finding a template that resonates with your brand personality is key to making an impact. Once you spot a template that you feel is the perfect fit, simply click on it to get a closer look. This is important because the design you choose will form the backbone of your thank you card, ensuring consistency with your brand's identity. The next step is to customize that template. Click on Customize this template. This action will open up the design in the Canva editor, where you'll have full control over the elements of the card. From here you can start making it truly yours. Take this opportunity to edit the text to align it with the message you want to convey. You might choose to add a personal note of thanks or include specific details that acknowledge the recipient's unique contributions. Personalization is critical in demonstrating genuine appreciation. Additionally, consider changing the background color to match your company's branding. This small tweak can tie your card into your overall brand identity, making it much more cohesive and professional. In Canva, changing the background color is easy. Simply select the color box and explore the palette of colors available. Finally, don't forget to review your design. Make sure the text is error-free and that the overall look captures the essence of your brand and message. Remember, this thank you card not only communicates appreciation but also reflects your brand's values and quality. Once you're happy with your design, you can download it in your preferred format, whether you plan to print it or send it digitally. Creating thank you cards in Canva is both simple and effective, allowing you to express gratitude while building stronger connections with your audience. Happy designing, and may your sincere thanks continue to strengthen your business relationships.